Hello from New Adventure in Istanbul. Today I am going to take you to Fast in Kadikoy, in the Asian side of Istanbul. And now let me show you how is beautiful this place. Today our journey begins with a breathtaking sunset as we cruise from Kasımpaşa to Kadikoy on a Scenic boat ferry. Trust me, you don't want to miss this mesmerizing view. Personally, when it comes to getting to the Asian side of Istanbul, I always opt for the ferry boat. Why? Well, Istanbul can get pretty crowded and getting there by car or bus tends to eat up a lot of time. The ferry boat is the perfect solution, it's quicker and you get to enjoy the breathtaking views along the way. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about the journey. One of the most enchanting experiences in Istanbul is catching the sunset from the ferry boat to Kadikoy. It's a spectacle that never fails to amaze. So if you come to Istanbul, don't forget to catch the sunset from a ferry boat. And now guys, stick around as we uncover the magic of Fest in Kadikoy. Let's jump right in. As the sun dipped below the horizon, we arrived at Fest in Kadikoy, where the ice skating scene is absolutely electrifying. And here is the exciting part. There are various activities within Fest, and ice skating for just 18 lira for 30 minutes. And now guys, let's glide into the frozen excitement, witness incredible moves on the ice and soak in the chilly yet exhilarating atmosphere. Fest transformed Istanbul into a winter wonderland, offering an incredible ice skating experience. But if you are planning to visit this incredible place, my top recommendation is to arrive early. The popularity of this spot in Instagram draws quite a crowd, and arriving early ensures you will have the best experience without the hustle and bustle. Moreover, keep in mind that online ticket availability may be limited, so securing your spot in advance could be a bit challenging. Alright everyone, I have got a question for all of you. Can you guess where the world's largest ice skating rink is located? I am genuinely curious to hear your thought. Drop your answer in the comments below and let's see who gets it right. Whether you are an ice skating enthusiast or just love a good trivia challenge, I want to hear from you. So where do you think you will find the grandest ice skating experience on the planet? Comment away and let the guessing game begin. As you can see, all of these people are waiting for the ice skating, and as I said before, if you are planning to come to this place, you need to be early. This one also is another activity of snowboarding. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Dunya and I love showcasing the beauty of Turkey throughout my travel. And if you enjoy exploring Turkey with me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join me. And now let's keep discover this place. Post Boost Fest, we found ourselves in the peaceful winter Kadikoy Carnival. Confession to me, whenever I come across a pasta restaurant or shop, I just can't resist. There is something about those delightful twists of pasta, especially the tagliatelle and spaghetti, that draws me in every time. It's like a magnetic pull. I see a pasta spot and I am there in a heartbeat. Maybe it's the northern Tunisian in me being so close to Italy that makes me appreciate this delicious pasta twist even more. The ambience here is surreal and the prices are surprisingly friendly. That's why I love so much Kadikoy. I couldn't resist trying the pasta with the cheese and it was a delightful experience for just 110 lira well spent. Let's take a leisurely stroll through the park and enjoy the ambience here. Culinary adventure continues, but of course a vlog isn't complete without some mouth-watering food. We decided to sweeten things up with a barbecue featuring marshmallow. So let's savor the flavors and embark on a sugar adventure right here in the heart of Kadikoy. This is my first time I tried the marshmallow. Honestly, I don't like the marshmallow, but when I try it like that, it's really so delicious. We hopped back on the boat where a live singer serenaded us against the backdrop of the city lights. The atmosphere was pure magic and it was the perfect way to conclude our day of exploration. Let's soak in the music and appreciate the beauty of Istanbul at night.
When the night has come, sing together, and the land is gone, the moon, the only light we see. Yeah, I won't be afraid, I won't be afraid, just so long as you stand by me, sing together. We're darling, darling, stand by me, stand by me, oh, stand by, stand with me. If the sky, my wonderful, shut down the pole, all the mountains, sure crumble to the street. So Elvis Presley. I won't cry, oh, shed a tear. How long as you say with me, sing it. We're darling, darling, stand by me. What I say, oh, stand by, oh, stand by. Play violin. Darling, darling, stay by me, let us stay by, oh, stay by me. Ever you're in trouble when you stay by, won't stay. Somebody, send me, sing it. Somebody, thank you so much. Stay by me. I don't know where are you from, Where are you from?
China.
China. All right. Nice to meet you. And this is for
Lütfen gemi iskeleye yanaşırken
my lady there. This is for her.
Rampası üzerinde
Mrs. Julia Roberts, Mr. Richard Gere, Pretty Woman.
iyi günler.
Pretty woman, walking down the street, pretty woman, coming out to me, pretty woman. I don't believe you, do not do, only good, all as you. Let's see, this is for Mrs. China. Pretty woman, won't you follow me, pretty woman, all I was pretty woman.
Thank you for joining me on this unique winter journey. If you were captivated by the Ice King at Boost Fest in Kadikoy with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite moment and subscribe for more diverse adventures. Stay tuned for our next exploration, and until then, take care and keep embracing the wonders around you.